Hello my dear lovely viewers. Today's video is for the people aged between 35 to 55. Are you considering yourself as too old to set big goals or to make big changes in your life to be successful? Consider it again. I'll tell you why. Have you heard about Napoleon Hill? He made a study among the most successful people in the US area at the beginning of 20th century, and he found that among the 500 of the most successful people, the truly successful people, they started making their dream post their 40s. Dear viewers, the most productive years of a human life start from 40s and 50s. So if you think it is late, consider it again and start working for it, because these are the golden years in a human life where you have wisdom, relationship, experience and a proper mindset to reach whatever goals you want to achieve in life. Hope you enjoyed the content. One small request or an announcement to tell you all, those who are looking for training requirements for your staff in hospitality or in soft skill, please reach out to my channel instead of commenting for my videos. Do like my channel, share, subscribe and comment based on your feedbacks. Kumar, the F&B trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.